Hello and a warm welcome to everyone across the globe. We should be on the way very shortly. The players will be with us any time now. And here we have Barcelona against Sporting Lisbon. Well, I'm Peter Drury and I'm joined in the commentary box by the familiar figure of Jim Beglin.
Hi Peter, always good to work with you. I'm really looking forward to this now.
The instantly recognisable sound of the UEFA Champions League anthem, the perfect backdrop to this eagerly awaited night of European football. Now the lineups for the game. We're underway. Iniesta. Rakitic. It's a loose ball. Adriano tries the route one option. Rakitic, well positioned to make that interception. Busquets, Neymar, he's made sure that that won't get through. And it's Luis Suarez with a delicate ball. He's had a go! Marvellous goal!
And some of the best managers I played for insisted on starting games as you mean to go on. And we've just seen a very important opening goal from an extremely talented individual who looks primed for more. He really does look at it.
With time and space aplenty, he was never going to miss.
Well, considering he has a bit of a shoot-on-sight policy, he was the one player that should have been picked up then. It was both careless and costly from where I'm sitting.
Barcelona take the early advantage. Chip through. Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. That's a good throw at all, really. He's given away possession cheaply. Sergio Busquets tries lifting it over. Luis Suarez was alert to the possibilities, but in the end it's fruitless. Shots on! There is the genius of Luis Suarez! And they are disappearing out of sight!
Suarez simply wasn't going to decline an invitation like that. He knows that they've got the passers in this side that will find him. And his job was just to make sure he didn't stray offside. And it worked an absolute treat.
Barcelona grab a couple of goals without reply. It's 2-0.
Well, at 1-0 this contest was still nicely poised, but now that it's gone to 2, mindsets are affected a lot more. Winning belief one way and that losing feeling the other.
Sergio Busquets. Adriano. Neymar. Now it's Luis Suarez. Luis Suarez plays it out to the wing. And he's kept it out. And the ball's come out. And it's Slimani. Sergio Busquets knocks it towards the front. Neymar. Sergio Busquets. Daniel Alves. Now it's Messi. Here it is now, surely! It's anyone's ball. Iniesta. And it's Adriano. Daniel Alves with the ball through. Out wide to the right. Well, it did look promising to start with, but in the end they were thwarted before they could even make it into the final third. And more, and more, and more! And surely that settles it! Finishing doesn't come simpler than that. Bang in front of goal.
Messi is the obvious danger man here, and yet he was afforded way too much freedom. I think he was gifted that goal. His reputation should have been warning enough for them.
Three without reply. This is becoming a stroll. The ball needed to be better there. It's a wasted chance. Sergio Busquets. That had to be more accurate. Neymar. Neymar! And oh! He scores! And already they're looking to run away with it. Luis Suarez with a predatory goal.
Oh, players like this fella almost have a sixth sense to get themselves in such great poaching positions. How quick-minded was that?
He's made it 2, and no doubt he's hungry for more. Barcelona tear their opponents apart once again. They are utterly ruthless. Oh, he's come flying in. Jefferson with the short one. Jefferson decides to play it back. Out the best in the keeper.
He was in such a great position in front of goal, and you'd expect him to score from there, but somehow he's missed it.
Oh, he's not going to get that. Adriano tries to switch the play. Good run, ultimately thwarted by an astute piece of defending. Crowd appreciates good football all round there. Luis Suarez. Luis Suarez with the cross. He's dealt with that well. Really didn't have enough to concern the defence. Up for the header! Decent chance, that is a fine delivery.
I think he's done very well to get into such a good position in front of goal, but he just couldn't put in the telling touch.
One! Oh, wonderful, wonderful Lionel Messi! And still they continue with the onslaught.
Listen, when you're on an invitation to improve your goal difference, why ease off?
He's made it 3. Quite a day at the office for him.
Oh, this has been an immense contribution from one player. He's been just about unplayable. The irresistible force today.
Barcelona totally rampant here. Rakitic, Daniel Alves, Sergio Busquets. Confirmation that there will be 2-minute stoppage time. Iniesta, deftly done. He slid it through. It's come loose. And the first half is done.
Well, I would think this one is possibly over as a contest. They know they've already reached cruise control, and it's a case of the right game management to take it from here.
Barcelona pretty much out of sight here. It really has been a one-sided game so far. There's the start of the second half. Mathieu plays it over to the other flank. Rakitic plays a clever pass. Oh, good interception. Adriano pumps it forwards. Neymar is flagged offside.
Yeah, fractional, but fractional is enough. He was off.
Now it's Luis Suarez, tries to dink it in. Good challenge, he just stood firm. It took genuine bravery to attempt to tackle there. Mind you, he had little option.
Well, if ever a tackle had to be made...
And he gobbles up the chance! A contest no more. It is nothing short of utter humiliation.
It's part of the game, Peter. It has to get ruthless. Sympathy just doesn't play a part.
4 in the game. He is the man. Sporting Lisbon have a sub ready to come on. Cortez. Now the pass. Right through the middle. Big chance! Oh, the ball's come loose! Looking cross-field, changing the point of attack. Great run this, he's covered quite a distance. He is not one readily to admit defeat. Don't be surprised if he tries that again. Neymar tries a long pass towards the front. Luis Suarez pumps it into the area. Whose ball? Who's going to get there? Iniesta. Away from immediate danger. And the counter is on. Slimani. Mathieu gets it back. Mathieu very firm in standing his ground there. It is a tough, full contact contest. Luis Suarez plays it in. Keeper's got good distance on that. Piqué cuts it out. And it's Neymar. Now it's Luis Suarez. It's broken loose. That's gone a long way up and away. Sporting Lisbon have just about everyone back and central.
Yeah, clearly they're trying to show strength to what the opposition have seen as a weakness.
It's a safety-first approach. Messi. Neymar. Goes through the middle. They really are proving themselves to be solid all over the field. Luis Suarez goes long and forward. Now the cross. Defence has got rid of that. Not much subtlety, he's launched himself there. Now it's Luis Suarez. And he's straight offside.
Well, they do like to operate with a high line. It's risky if the ball's not pressed and the line isn't straight.
Looks like a good ball through. Luis Suarez with a long pass. I think that's a goal kick. Yes, the referee concurs.
Well, you have to feel a little for the player being taken off here. I think he's been made the scapegoat after that, but I guess something had to be done. I suppose it did need a little change.
Neymar tries to stroke it through. Ball's loose, who's getting there? Neymar with a shot! Neymar! One of a type! He's brilliant! And again, they pile on the misery.
Well, I think we've gone past humiliation now. This could be doing some real psychological damage.
Sporting Lisbon have chosen to bring on the last of their substitutes. Brian Ruiz. Ball has crossed the line, and it's a throw. Ball's out once more. Neymar looks to slip it through. Luis Suarez. Oh, it's opened up nicely for him. Can he finish? And he's there to hoof it away. Iniesta tries to switch the play. Daniel Alves boots it upfield. Fourth official showing that there will be 3 minutes of added time. João Mario. And it's Jefferson. Jefferson is fouled. Sergio Busquets. Referee looks at his watch and blows his whistle. Barcelona, comfortable winners, a virtuoso display, utterly one-sided. How would you sum up what we've witnessed, Jim?
Barcelona kept such a high defensive line and squeezed the game with really good pressure on the ball, and it made the big difference. It helped them to control things to their liking, and they look comfortable in it for me.